Hi, you are welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be looking at percentages, how to change from percentages to fraction or fraction to percentages. So we'll be starting this class with the definition of percentages. What's a percentage? A percentage is a fraction with 100 as a denominator. A percentage is a fraction with 100 as a denominator. And apart from that, a percentage has a special symbol. That looks like this. And this is known as what? It's known as percent. It's known as percent. So a percentage is a fraction with 100 as a denominator. It's a fraction with 100 as a denominator. If you have something like this, let's say that you have 20%. This is percent, 20, and this is percent. Now I say that a percentage is a fraction with 100 as a denominator. This should be 20 over 100. So 20 over 100 is known as what? It's known as 20%. Known as 20%. What if you have something like this? Let's say that you have something like this, 53%. Or 53% simply means that 53 over 100. So a percentage is a fraction with 100 as a denominator. So let's move to how to change from percentages to fraction in its lowest term. How to change percentage to fraction in its lowest term. Let's say that you have 30%. This is 30%, and you're asked to change this percentage to fraction in its lowest class. Now 30% is what? Is 30 over 100. Now that you have changed the percentage into fraction, the next is what? Is to divide both the denominator and the numerator and denominator with a common factor. Now you can see that 0 will cancel 0. 0 cancel 0, we are left with 3 over 10. Now the 3 over 10, the 3 which is a numerator does not have a common factor with the denominator. So this is the what? This is the fraction of 30% in its lowest form. Now let's assume that you are given this question. Let's say that you are given 4%. You are asked to change 4% into a fraction. The first step is that you write 4 over 100. Since percent is a what? Since percentage is a fraction with 100 as a denominator, now that you have it in fraction, the next thing is what? You divide both the numerator and the denominator with a common factor. What's the common factor for 4 and 24? The common factor for 4 and 24 is 2. You can divide these two with 2. You can divide this with 2. How many 2 can you see in 4? That will be 2. And how many 2 can you see in 100? That's 50. You can still divide this further with a common factor, 2 again. You can divide it with 2. If you divide 2 divided by 2, that will be 1. And 50 divided by 2, that will be 25. So the fraction form from 4% is 1 over 25. So 4% can be expressed in fraction in its lowest form as 1 over 25. Now let's go to how to change from fraction to percentage. So the next subtopic is how to change from fraction. Let's say that you are given fraction. How to change from fractions to percentage. Now let's say that you are given this fraction. Example 1, half. You are given a fraction now, but you have to change it to percentage. Now if you want to change the fraction to percentage, it's as simple as this. All you need to do is that you multiply the fraction with 100. Then you divide it, you have the answer. Now let's do it together. This is half. The fraction given to us is half. Want to change half to percentage. So the first step is that you write your half. After writing your half, you multiply with what? 100. I'm going to multiply with 100. So we are going to divide both this numerator and the denominator with the common factor. So we go into these 2 can be divided with 2. 2 into 1 and 2 in 100, that will be 50. So if you multiply 1 times 50 is 50. And 1 times 1, so our half is the same thing as 50%. Half is the same thing as 50%. Now let's say that you have another one. Let's say that you are given 9 over 25. 9 over 25 now. So we have to change 9 over 25 to percentage. You know that I told you that the first step is that you multiply with 100. So that will be 9 over 25 times 100. Now that you have multiplied with 100, the next is what? Divide the numerator and the denominator with a common factor. So what's the common factor for 25 and 100? Actually, you can use 25, but let's pick a small factor. I mean, 5 can go in 100. 20 times 5 is 25. That will be 5, right? 5 is also a common factor for both 20 and 25. So 5 here, that will be 1. 5 and 20, that will be 4. So we are left with 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is what? 36%. So 9 over 25. The percentage formed from the fraction 9 over 25 is 36%. So finally, we have come to the end of today's class. If you are here to subscribe to this channel, Mr. Willis Maths Class, kindly hit the subscribe button and put on the notification icon so that you can get notified when I post new videos, and you can be rest assured of having access to quality videos from this channel. And don't forget to write something about today's class in the comment box. Thank you for being part of today's class.